Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday morning, and you know what that means.
Crafty Kids!
Okay, so today we're going to be making Tulle tutus in honor of National Dress Day, which is today.
Hey, yo.
Right now.
Awesome.
So yeah, we're going to show you how to make a really simple tutu that you can make at home. It doesn't even really require that you know how to sew or anything like that. So this should be a lot of fun. Now I have the materials here. In order to make it, you're going to need just some ribbon. You'll want enough ribbon to be able to tie around your waist. You'll need scissors, and you'll need tulle of whatever color you want your tutu to be. Other than that though, you don't really need much. Now, it's gonna be a little tricky though to make one for myself because it's hard to measure that out, and I don't know if there's someone. Hi Archie, what's up? You know what? This is a weird question, but I know you don't normally show up for Crafty Kids. But would you like to make to have a tutu that I make for you? You would? Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Let's make a tutu for Archie then. I think that's going to be a lot of fun. So Archie, I'm going to need you to settle down on the table for just a second, because the first part is I need to be able to make sure it's going to wrap around Archie. So we're going to move his little wing there and just kind of... So when you're making it for you, I'm only going to make it a few inches because Archie's kind of small, but when you're making it for you, maybe put about a foot or so on each end. That way you've got plenty of room to tie it off. So let's see here. I'm just going to go maybe about there for extra length because again, Archie's, an owl, and that's okay. So Archie doesn't need as much room as the rest of us do. Let's see, so we'll go ahead and cut that right there. And now that I have my ribbon ready to go, I think this is gonna look really great with Archie, don't you, Archie? Yeah, okay. So Archie, what color do you want first? Oh, okay, you want this one? Okay, so we'll go ahead and start with that. Now, again, you'll want to fold it in half to get your actual length because you're going to have to tie it around the ribbon. Now, again, Archie's not very big. Archie wants to say hi to everybody, so make sure you say hi to Archie. So I'm just going to cut a strip maybe around this length, but you can cut it to whatever length you want. It just depends on how big you want the tutu to be or if you want it to be smaller. So in this case, I'm going to cut this out. And now you'll want to cut some strips of the same length so that way it all looks about the same. So I'll cut out another one of this. And it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect, you just want to get it close. Would you like some of this too, Archie? Yeah? Okay. So you can see we've already started getting Archie's tutu ready to go. I know he's very excited to get that on. But in order to get the strips on, here's what you'll need to do. So you'll take one strip of tulle like this and fold it in half. So, and make sure to keep like this, the center point kind of wide there. Mm-hmm. And then you're gonna put it by your ribbon. And you're gonna take the bottom edges and fold them over and into that hole that you made. So they go through that midpoint, and then you just pull through and tighten it. And then you can actually move it around a little bit too, maybe get, some space between them or put them closer together. And they'll stay pretty well on there. I mean, yeah, so don't even worry about having to sew it or anything like that. So we're just gonna put some more strips on there and get it all ready to go so Archie can wear the tutu. I know you're excited, buddy, so I'm gonna make sure that we go through this really fast. Okay, so now I've gotten all of this together, and I know Archie's very excited to wear it, but Archie, I need to tell them a little bit about Crafty Kids next week. So, okay, like, give me just a second. We'll get to it. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do. You just tie a bunch of strips to it down the length until you get it as fluffy or as thin as you want it to be. There you go. So, in the meantime, though, next week on Crafty Kids, Archie really wants this tutu. Next week on Crafty Kids, though, we're going to be making some pop-up books. Miss Liesel will be showing you how to make some pop-up books in honor of National Tell Your Story Day. And for this project, you're going to need construction paper, a glue stick, scissors, a stapler, clear tape, markers, or crayons, whichever you prefer. And yeah, that's going to be all from us today. So thank you so much for joining us. And yes, Archie, I know I'm getting to it. Just 1 second. We're almost there. Thank you very much for joining us. And we'll see you again next week. Until then, happy crafting. Bye-bye, everyone. Okay, Archie. Well, now for the moment you've been waiting for. We have your tutu ready to go. So let's go ahead and get that on. And okay, let's see here. Are you sure this is how it goes, Archie? I don't know if that's... Yeah, I mean, it looks good, Archie, but I just think that maybe you should wear it around your waist. Buddy, what are you... Okay, well, off he goes. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe on YouTube.
And like and share on Facebook.
Help us share our crafts with as many kids as we can.
Thanks everybody.